Hello and welcome back to our series of short videos, How to Do It Right, the SAP S/4HANA Project Handbook. This series is based on our book publication. We share practical experience and proven methods for successful SAP S/4HANA projects. Our goal is simple: take away the fear and bring clarity to you. My name is Lucas Rers, and this is the second episode. Today we talk about brown, green, or Bluefield. In the upcoming videos, we will address topics like the big question about operations, rise or fall, choose the right consultants, and most current of all questions, the scope of a SAP software implementation today, what should be part of SAP, where to use AI, and shift functionality from the good old monolith to the bright new world. The first part of our series addressed the main first question of a SAP project, the 3 common wrong assumptions of a SAP projects. Today, we address the question that immediately arises in every SAP project: Brownfield, Greenfield, or Bluefield. The most important message at the outset is this: there is no single correct approach to Brownfield, Greenfield, or Bluefield. The right choice is always a pragmatic one. It depends on 3 questions. What fits your current situation? What is realistic for your organization? And which path will deliver the project quickly, efficiently, and at reasonable cost? But let's take a look at the 3 approaches. Greenfield means a new start. The company designs and builds the solution largely from the beginning. Brownfield means technical conversion of the existing SAP system. Processes, data, and structures are largely retained. Bluefield is the middle path. It combines selective reuse with targeted cleanup. But let us take a closer look what these approaches mean. Greenfield means a new start. The advantage is clear: a clean core, fewer legacy issues, and greater standardization. This approach is especially useful when processes need to be fundamentally redesigned. It is also the natural option when no ERP system exists today. At the same time, Greenfield has clear disadvantages. It requires substantial energy. It requires significant alignment across the business. And it demands a high level of change management. In many cases, it also requires more time and more budget. Greenfield is therefore a strong option for true transformation. But it is usually not the fastest road. Brownfield means technical conversion of the existing SAP system. Processes, data, and structures are largely retained. The main benefit is clear: less disruption, lower training effort, and in most cases, a faster and more cost-efficient implementation. Where an SAP R3 or ECC system already exists, Brownfield is often the most practical path. Its disadvantage is that older weaknesses may also remain. This includes custom developments, legacy complexity, and technical debt. Brownfield is therefore not a major innovation program. It is, above all, a pragmatic modernization path. Bluefield is the middle path. Only the data and structures that are truly needed are migrated. This is particularly relevant in complex SAP landscapes, in mergers, in carve-outs, or where historical data must be handled selectively. The disadvantage is greater complexity. Bluefield is more demanding in methodology, governance, and data migration. What does this mean in 3 typical starting situations? First, if no ERP system is in place, Greenfield is usually the appropriate SAP approach. Second, if an SAP system already exists, Brownfield is often the best choice when core processes are still working well and the technical transition should be completed quickly. Third, if a non-SAP system is currently in use, Greenfield is in most cases the standard path. Bluefield becomes relevant when consolidation or selective cleanup is required at the same time. Now let us take the pragmatic view. In many organizations, SAP delivers only limited true process innovation. Much of what is called transformation is, in practice, standardization, harmonization, and technical renewal. This consumes resources. It takes time. And it places considerable pressure on the organization. For that reason, there is often a strong case for Brownfield, at least where Brownfield is a realistic option. It allows the organization to complete the necessary technical transition quickly and with less disruption. And it frees management attention for the issues that matter most in volatile markets: customers, competitiveness, speed, and adaptability. My conclusion is therefore straightforward. Greenfield is appropriate for a new start and for non-SAP environments. Brownfield is often the right choice for existing and fundamentally viable SAP systems. Bluefield is the right option for more complex special situations. In the end, success is not determined by the label of the approach. It is determined by clear priorities, strict scope discipline, and the discipline not to overload the project. Stay tuned. In the upcoming videos, we will address topics like operations, rise or fall, choose the right consultants, scope of an SAP software, and so far. This is all to help you to win the race. And this all is to the unsung heroes of transformation, project leaders who have navigated the stormy seas of deadlines, scope changes, and midnight deployments with unwavering resolve. Thank you for your interest. Hope to see you soon. Please do not miss the next part of our journey to smart SAP projects. Goodbye. Lukas Röhrs. And if you can't wait until the next episode starts and you'd like to find out more about how to make sure your SAP project is on the right track, have a look at our new book. It is available on Amazon.com now.